The Unified Water Study is designed to assess the environmental health of Long Island Sound bays and harbors, our Long Island Sound bays and harbors. There are over 100 bays and harbors along the Long Island Sound coastline, and water quality data gaps exist amongst these waterways. One of the things this study is going to do is help fill those data gaps with empirical data collected by participating monitoring groups. Another thing the study will help us with is prioritizing bays and harbors for pollutant reductions, and specifically I'm talking about helping the states, New York and Connecticut, prioritize bays and harbors for nitrogen reduction. Nitrogen is one of the leading sources of pollutants entering the Sound. It comes from fertilizer, it can come from septic tanks, it comes from stormwater runoff, wastewater treatment discharges, aging wastewater treatment infrastructure. All of these can be reduced with proper management and strategies. So this study will help us to identify bays and harbors that might be struggling in terms of environmental health, and for management, help assist management in fixing those problems that we're identifying.
We're gonna lower this over the side, and we essentially get a reading. It stabilizes here. We write it down. What that does is it allows us to then take those data and compare them across all of these different harbors, and then also across all the different months that we're doing this. So we're taking about 1 to 2 samples per month from May to October. So, all right, so we basically lower this down.
And so we lower that to a certain depth, and then there are values that are read out on this little handheld computer that tell us about the dissolved oxygen, the salinity, the temperature, and we can take readings at multiple levels in the water so that we can understand the difference between the harbor bottom, which may have lower oxygen levels than the surface.
There are 12 monitoring groups out this season. This is our first season, so we have 12 monitoring groups all working together, studying their local embayments, or bays and harbors, and we have 24 of those bays and harbors covered, all the way from Stonington, Connecticut, down the coastline to Westchester County, around the bend into New York City waters, and then out to Suffolk County. And we plan to continue to fill bays and harbors around the Sound with this study.